Arthur Carrousel. Please walk and watch your step as you choose your trusty steed. You are more than welcome to stand in between two horses. For those riding with a child, we ask that you please fasten the safety strap around your child. Please fasten the safety strap around the child's waist if their feet do not reach the safety. Thank you. And enjoy your ride round with you. Huzzah!
Arthur Carrousel at this time there is no more moving. Please remain seated or standing where you are. Thank you.
Your line is slowly coming to an end. Please remain seated and do not dismount from your horse until the carousels come to a full and complete stop. Once the carousel is stopped, please look down, watch your step, and carefully dismount from your horse. Thank you. And enjoy your day at Walt Disney's original Magic Kingdom.